One of the greatest challenges any professional at leadership role feels in today's corporate world is his alignment with the entrepreneur. While the professional always asks why for everything, entrepreneur always asks why not. While entrepreneur always asks somehow this must be done, professional has to ask how this can be done. How do we get this partnership right? While entrepreneur way of leading an organization nor a professional way of leading organization can give a sustained growth. It's only a professional entrepreneur's way of leading an organization that is going to give sustained progress for any corporate. I realized that as a professional, you should have your professional thinking, but you should also have the entrepreneur's heart. And as an entrepreneur, you should not only have the feelings like an entrepreneur, you should also respect the thinking of a professional. When we can get these both together in this partnership called PE, Professional Entrepreneur, those organizations, the culture of those organizations will be able to build enough professional entrepreneurs. When a professional who is able to think like him is also able to respect the feelings of the entrepreneur, his decision making will always be in the larger interest of the organization. As an entrepreneur, you may not accept the thinking of a professional all the time, but you have the responsibility to respect the thinking of a professional all the time. As a professional, next time when you feel you are not aligned to the entrepreneur, check the recent decisions that you have taken, that you had put the entrepreneur's heart in those decision making. You will find the answer for yourself. As an entrepreneur, whenever you find your alignment with your professional is not okay, check whether in the recent decision making you had respected the professional thinking. To me, PE, Professional Entrepreneur, is the only way to build successful business and sustainable organization.